Hello everybody! Watch this video to find out how to install two versions of macOS operating system on one computer. You'll see how to install a beta version of macOS 15 Sequoia as your second operating system.
Hello friends! If you need to recover deleted data, view or restore removed browsing history, Hetman Software Products will help you. Follow the link in the description, download the necessary program for free, install it and analyze the disk. The utility will show you the data you can recover, so you'll be able to view it or get it back. In our channel and blog you will find solutions to any problem, from installing an operating system or configuring it to fixing possible bugs and errors or optimizing mobile gadgets. Our specialists will answer any questions you ask in your comments under the videos or articles.
You may need to have two operating systems if you don't want to disrupt the stable work of your main system, but you also wish to try out the new features in the latest beta version of macOS. This is especially relevant for developers and IT enthusiasts who want to be the first to explore the new developments and check them out. Besides, installing a second operating system allows you to run old apps which might be incompatible with the new versions of macOS. This way, you'll be able to enjoy new features and at the same time retain access to all the necessary software, creating the best conditions for steady workflow and exciting experiments. Within a few minutes, we'll explore how to gain access to the beta version of macOS 15 and how to install it as the second operating system on your Mac. For starters, let's see how to get a beta version of macOS for developers. You can join the Apple Developer Program and get your beta macOS absolutely for free. To do it, you need to register as a developer at the official Apple website, and it can be done without subscription. Here, click Enroll, and then hit the button Start your enrollment below. Now type your Apple ID. Then you'll be suggested to download an app and continue your registration from there or do it from the browser. Download the Apple Developer app. Now click Account and type your Apple ID to sign in. After that, click on Enroll Now to register in the Apple Developer Program. Then click Continue. I agree. After that, you can close this window. If you continue adding your data, you'll be offered to activate your subscription. We're not doing that, so just close the window. After your enrollment is complete, the System Settings will display an option to enable beta updates. Open System Settings, General, Software Updates, Beta Updates. Choose the beta version of the required operating system from the drop-down list and click Done. After that, the operating system will check for updates. As a result, the selected macOS beta version should be displayed here. To download it and update your system, click Upgrade Now. When the process is over, you will get a new version of your operating system. With this method, you'll be able to get the latest beta version of your macOS and start exploring it. Now, let's find out how to install two macOS versions on one computer. To begin with, you need to know how much free space is available on your hard disk, and if this space is enough to install another operating system. For macOS Sonoma, you need at least 14 GB of free disk space. If you have less than that, your disk has to be cleaned up. Follow the link in the description to visit our channel and watch a special video about cleaning the disk to get more free space. When you're done with that, you need to divide the main volume on your hard disk into several parts using the disk utility. Open Launchpad, Other, Disk Utility. In the app window, click on View and choose Show all devices. This will allow you to see the volumes on your hard disk. Here, you should have a volume called Macintosh HD or Home. Select it and click on the plus button to create a new volume. Set a name for this new volume and click Add. If necessary, you can change the settings and set a size limit for this new volume. As a result, you get a new volume. Now you can use it to install one more version of the operating system. Now that you have divided the hard disk into two volumes, you can start installing the second macOS. For starters, you should download an installer for the required macOS version. Open App Store, find and download the installer. There is no beta version in App Store, but you can download it later using the method that involves Apple Developer App. With App Store, you can only download the available versions. If you're looking for an older version, this process will get more complicated. Such installation will have to be done from the recovery menu and with a bootable drive. I'll show you a bit later how to add a second operating system from the recovery menu, but for now, we'll continue with a more traditional method. When the download is complete, run the installer. Agree to the terms of the license agreement. Now choose the volume where to install macOS and click Continue. Type your administrative password, and the installation will begin. Wait until this process is complete. When it happens, your Mac will reboot, and this time it will boot from the new volume where you have installed the new operating system. This is followed by a typical sequence of configuration steps. As you sign in to your computer, you'll be able to update this macOS version to a new beta version using the method we have explored a few minutes earlier. Download Apple Developer, sign in with your Apple ID to enroll as a developer. After that, go to System Settings to enable beta updates, download and install a new beta version of macOS. As a result, your Mac will reboot and the installation will begin. In the end, your Mac will have two macOS versions, the main one and the beta one. Your Mac will boot from the new volume, that is, from the latest operating system you have installed. To boot the main operating system, restart your Mac while holding down the Option key. Choose the main volume to boot from, then the main operating system will boot. You can also configure the disk to boot from in the System Settings. To do it, open System Settings, General, Startup Disk. Select the necessary volume and click the Restart button to reboot. As a result, your Mac will boot from the selected volume. One more method to install the second macOS version on the same computer is by using the recovery menu. Boot your Mac in the recovery mode by holding down the Command-R keys and starting up the computer. Hold down the keys until the Apple logo appears on your screen. Run Disk Utility from the recovery menu and create a new volume. Then, get back to the main menu and choose Reinstall macOS from the list. Select the new volume for installation. As a result, your computer will receive two versions of macOS. Alternatively, you can run the installation from a bootable flash drive. We have covered all details of macOS installation in a special video, which you can watch by following the link below. Summing up, now you have two versions of macOS on one computer, and you can easily switch between them by just rebooting your Mac and choosing the one you need. This gives users an opportunity to test new operating system features and try out various third-party apps while preserving the stable working environment of the main operating system. This is how you ensure the safe operation of your Mac at all times. And that is all for now. I hope this video was useful. Remember to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Leave your comments under the video. Thank you for watching and good luck!